What's up guys, in this video I will show you an exchange that will enable you to do your trades for currency, commodities, cryptos, and more, as well as additional features that you need to help you out with trading. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so guys, this is WeOnMarket landing page. The link will be in the description of the video. Let's go ahead and check out their website and see for ourselves what are the things that I feel you guys need to know the most. And then I will show you the actual trading platform later on. Alright, so as you can see guys, you have the option to do your trades with their app in WeOnMarket on your phones, alright? Okay, and then you will see here, discover your next opportunity. You can be empowered to trade CFDs, stocks, FX, commodities, crypto indices, and options. So you can actually see the summaries here. Okay, so you have the FX, the CFDs, the stocks, as well as the commodities. So if you click on start trading, it will take you directly to this site in page. And if, say for example, let me go ahead and put in first name, last name, and then whatever country, let's say Austria, and then put in a random number there. This is the email, and then put in the password, and then you are all set. So once you click on I agree to the policy as well as I am over 18, it will let you sign up already. So that is very straightforward guys. Very easy to do your registration. You could start right away. And you will see here guys, everything that you need to trade smarter. So you could also take advantage of the powerful analysis tools, tight spreads on forex pairs, and low commissions on crypto trades, which actually directly impacts you as a trader, wherein you will be more efficient with your trades and get more value because of the low commissions that the platform is charging you for each trade that you're doing. Alright, so these are the complete package for every trader guys. You have the standard package, which is at 5,000 euros. The full functionality for advanced trading. You have spreads too. You have minimum transaction volume at 0.1, consultation, and you have 2 times a week. Additionally, you also have 3 training sessions on how to use trading indicators and the investment protection fund. And then the other package is the investor package, which is the 100,000 euro. Yeah, for the spread 1.7, transaction volume is 0.5. You have the dealer mode, and then you have a 2-week training on how to use trading indicators as well as investment protection fund. So you also have the testimonials from the users which have already used WeOnMarket. You have the team is very responsive from Joseph. You have BitLord. I love the app and the product. Alright, and then this one also highly speaks about their customer support, which he has an issue on the deposited money that he did, and then he contacted the support team, and then they guided him well, which actually resolved his problem. So the team is very responsive. Okay, so that is for Joseph. And here guys, you will see WeOnMarket trade with financial thinking. You have all the details for WeOnMarket. So you have the FCA license, you have the UK ref, the SYSEC, and then the letter exchange street, and then the address of WeOnMarket. So they also have the contact us here. The account type, let's go ahead and check on that real quick guys. So if we click on that one, let me open it up on a new tab here. Okay, so if you open up an account, the account type guys, it will let you select from different account types. You have the student, you have the Islamic, you have the standard, investor, and the WeOnMarket VIP, as well as the WeOnMarket VIP Platinum. All of the features are here, so you can go ahead and check it out. Do your own research and then see for yourself what is the best account type that is best fit on your trading style. Alright, now next, go back to the academy guys. They have the Skype education here. For the bonus policy, they also have the welcome bonus. Let's go ahead and check that out real quick. Okay, so when you deposit, so deposit match bonus, with a deposit match bonus, the broker matches a percentage of the trader's initial deposit. So for example, the broker offers a 100% deposit match bonus, and trader deposits 100, they will receive an additional 100 euro as a bonus. So that is how it works. Alright, so you have the about us there as well. So you have the KYC, the privacy policy, contact us, deposit and withdrawal. Okay, so that is also one of the most important things that you guys need to know about this one. So they have gathered all the information that you need for you to fund your account. So you can fund your account using credit or debit card, bank, wire transfer, as well as Bitcoin. For bank card replenishment, so you could follow the step-by-step instruction on how to do that as well, and more information on how you could navigate and do your transactions with WeOnMarket. So finally guys, let's go ahead and head on to the exchange itself. So I've logged in my own account here. So I am in the currency section for Euro and USDT pair. All right, so you have the candles here. And one of the best features, in my honest opinion, guys, is this one right here. It shows you if it is bearish or if it is bullish. Let's go ahead and head onto crypto and see for like what is the status of Bitcoin and USDT. So this is the Bitcoin and USDT. All right, so this is the Bitcoin USD pair. Okay, so it's kind of on the bear side right now because Bitcoin is at 67,000. Hopefully it bounces up and goes higher and higher. That way, I am actually personally invested into Bitcoin. So I am holding my Bitcoins. Holding on too tight on that one. Hopeful that it may go to as high as 100. Hopefully you guys are doing well with your trades as well. And you have other ones here. You have the commodities. Okay, you have indices. You have stocks. Okay, so you have all different stocks, options, and all that in one exchange. So you could do that here. All right, now when you are doing your trades, I know for those intermediate to advanced traders, you already know this, but for the beginners, these are the features that will save you a lot of losses as well as take you more profits according to your strategy or your technical analysis. So you have the SLTP, or the stop loss take profit. So you can set up your stop loss and take profit according to your technical analysis. And again guys, when you do your trades, I would strongly suggest that you eliminate any emotions and rely on your technical analysis or the facts that you are doing. That way, you know, you do not mess up your trade. So you have the stop loss here, okay, and you have the take profit here, and then you could open trade when the rate is at this point. All right, so that is the SLTP. Okay, you can do that, and that is very, very useful, guys. So if you click on advanced, that is when those will show. Okay, so if you click on that, it will hide it. So if you click on hold or control and then zoom, okay, so you can zoom in the charts. So you have pending orders. Okay, so you have stop loss. All right, so that is done right there. Okay. So you have the trading view, you have the classic charts, whatever you would like to see in your screen when you do your trades, you could flip that by clicking on this one. All right, so you have all those information. You could even swap dark versus the bright one. I personally prefer the dark one simply because it's too bright for me when I switch that to the white version or the light version or because it's simply too bright for me when I switch that over to light. So you could click on accounts, you will see all your information there. You have currency, stocks, commodities. Again, I'm showing that to you real quick. You have the TV and the news as well. So these are the things that are really, really very helpful. Again, guys, because when you do your trade, sometimes the trend depends on the market analysis as well as the news that's coming out and what's happening in the real world. All right, so you can go ahead and check them out, guys. And again, stay until the end screen videos. Those videos will definitely be helpful in your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.